It took 2 combs and 3 brushes to try and get it out before I just gave up and cut it off with some kitchen scissors. Hello fellow human beings and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a product review. Now I've actually just bought this myself. I have no affiliation with the brand whatsoever, so I'm going to give you a completely 110% honest review in real time from the before to the after, and I'm going to show you whether or not I think this product is worth the purchase. And the product is okay, this is kind of a mouthful, so bear with me. The Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. So this product described itself as a deep conditioning treatment to improve the health of your hair. What's it gonna do for me? Okay, our supercharged formula delivers hydration from root to tip, repairing hair damaged by heat, styling, dyes, and the environment. Oh my god, okay, don't even. I know I can't say environment properly. Environment. It is literally the only word that I struggle with, so let's just pretend that it's not written there. Anyway, improves hair texture by targeting frizz, preventing split ends, and adding gloss. It is also sulfate-free, paraben-free. I don't know what that word is. How do you even say that? Okay, it's PHTH. How do you pronounce that sound? That's not like... This sounds like I have like a complete issue with words, but they're just throwing words that I can't say at me today. So, phthalate-free, that's how I'm going to say it, I'm going to stick to it. 100% vegan, cruelty-free and gluten-free. And it contains a bunch of hydrating, lovely ingredients that's going to soothe and moisturize your hair. But seriously, how do you even pronounce that word? Like the R is silent. Now, as someone that is addicted to heat, bleach, and dye, this sounds like a godsend to me. So hopefully it works. I'll be straight up real with you, whether it does or does not. And I don't know about you guys, but my hair goes in waves, and that is not a terrible hair pun. But for months on end, it can be like glossy and straight and gorgeous. And then the month afterwards, it can be like super curly. The next, it's frizzy. But honestly, at the moment, it is the most unmanageable it has ever been. Like, please help me. It's so damaged, and it's an absolute nightmare, and I'm just completely sick of it. This is layer upon layer of bleach and heat and dye. I'm not going to say the other one. So this mask could not have come at a better time. It literally says miracle on the box, and that's exactly what I need at this point. So first we're going to talk about the packaging, because it is adorable, and I love good packaging. Like, who doesn't? Another thing that I've seen quite a few people do is smell it, and I enjoy a good smell too. So let's have a little whiff. Oh, okay. So it does smell delicious. It's very sort of subtle but coconutty. It kind of smells like the beach, which is gorgeous. The set that I got comes with this little brush, which, I mean, a girl with hair like mine can never have too many brushes. And it says, shampoo as normal and apply Coco and Eve using the tangle tamer provided. Evenly distribute and leave on for 10 minutes, or for even better results, leave overnight. I don't have time for overnight tonight. I'll let you know how long I leave it on for. Rinse hair with warm water and style as normal. So I'm gonna go and quickly shampoo my hair, and I'll be back. Okay, so I have fully shampooed, wet, clean hair at the moment. This is cute. So far, this brush is actually managing to get through my hair, and that's no easy feat. I'll tell you that. But it's brushing out all of the knots really well. So kudos to this little thing, doing the most. Honestly, last week I had such a matted, awful knot in the back of my hair, and it took 2 combs and 3 brushes to try and get it out before I just gave up and cut it off with some kitchen scissors. The fact that this brush is getting through my hair is a miracle. Like, I'm so happy. At this point, I would just happily buy the brush. I usually have to like lather my hair in conditioner before I can even think about putting a brush through it. Right now it's literally just shampooed and that's it. Okay, so now we're at mask time. I'm actually quite excited because if the mask is anywhere near as good as the brush just was, like, I'm done, I'm sold. Okay, so I'm standing up so you can see. I'm focusing mostly on the lengths of my hair because obviously that's where the majority of the damage is. Honestly, it feels crazy that I can get my fingers through my hair at this point. But I'm just doing it with my fingers at first. Okay, now I'm gonna brush it through. Now it might just be in my head, but it already kind of feels like you know when you've used a good conditioner as to whether or not it's really like nourishing the hair or not. Okay, so I think I've done as I was told. I shampooed my hair and then I applied the mask as evenly as I could and I brushed it through with the little Tangle Tamer brush. And now I'm just going to leave it on. It says 10 minutes or overnight. I'm probably going to leave it on for about 25 minutes to half an hour. And then I'm going to give it another rinse and then I'll be back again. Okay, so it has been 30 minutes of wearing the mask and about 20 minutes since I washed it out. So it's starting to dry already. I'm going to let it air dry because I think that's the best way of telling, because I think my hair looks so much better with a blow dry anyway. It just seems a bit of a cheat to blow dry it. It feels quite soft. It feels quite nice. Also, it's not like I keep playing with it, but it's still not getting as frizzy as it did before. I do have bangs, so I will probably do something with them. But apart from that, I am just going to let it dry naturally, just so I have an idea of how well the mask has worked rather than how well the blow dryer and the straightener and all that kind of stuff has worked. Final countdown, final hurdle, final opinion. Yes, my hair feels incredible. It feels super soft. It feels hydrated. And it just kind of feels pretty. Like, I'm one of those people that I'll look at like models and the whole hair flipping and the herbal essences like adverts, and I'm like, there is no way that hair actually feels and looks like that. But this is kind of how I imagine that their hair feels. Like, it really does feel nice. Like, honestly, hands down, it really does. This is something I will definitely keep using. Like, and this is honestly just from the first wash. You saw how ridiculously bad and frizzy my hair was before. So I can only even really imagine what it's like if I keep using this. It does say on the box to keep using it once a week. So I will continue with that and I will update you guys as to whether it was just a one-hit wonder or whether it's something that improved over time. But so far, yes. I do actually love it. Completely honestly, I've used 110 hair masks. I try absolutely everything. I try all the home remedies. I try everything. And this is something that I will definitely keep using. It just feels good. It feels good and it feels like it really has genuinely helped my hair. It's not something that's actually just sat on the top and made it look kind of nice for a little bit. Would definitely recommend to a friend. So I'm recommending it to you guys. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me from the beginning of this evening. This has taken in total like a good few hours. So thank you for actually partaking with me. If you have any questions, any queries, anything you want to know, or anything you want to let me know, please comment below, and I hope to see you next time.